Usembut Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla Bapet Katanat Urban Affairs mentakasngi ulalum Nongialam bat Nongialam Shnong ke Laitumkhrah harangkat kajing dan lang ke MLA Kathan kong amprin dengdo manekaran Halor ke isu penkendria no yaki Nongdie Madan. Usembut Menteri Rangba ha kajing keren bat kilat pathai Khubor ula pentip bahadian kajing keren la menjur ban aipor biang shipau sngi pat hadian kani kinsa penlong pat kajing jurep lang ya kajaka. Kat bana kaliang ke MLA kala penpau bayakani kakam dan kam ban lebha kamtam namar ki surak ha ketika than ki day ki barit.
Today again we had meetings about the Laitumkhrah hakas in the presence of local MLA Madam Nongdie and all the three Rongba Shnongs and along with the Rongba dogs, and we have discussed only about this hakar. So I think another 10 days, there is some plus and minus, we are unable to decide today. They asked me 10 days more time, so we give them 10 days more, so we'll come with a concrete decision. Is that because there is some place to recheck again, we have to re-verify again, so the donbosco request in the meeting today, so we give them 10 days time, so within 10 days time, it will be a joint inspection between the Urban Affairs Department officers and the donbosco elders or whoever, maybe the headman Rongba, they will go for a joint inspection and they will submit the report and we will try to close this matter as possible. So the number will be yet to decide even when some new are coming and some old already there. So even that will decide next week. I think just take it within 1 or 2 months we'll be able to complete it, because when we decide next week and we have to give them notice 30 days minimum, and then we'll proceed ahead as per law accordingly.
Suggestions have already been accepted by the Honorable Dycm in charge of urban affairs. There were a bit of a glitch because roads in and around Laitumkhrah are very tight. There's already big pressure from vehicular movement, big pressure from public movement. So now we need to be a little more careful when we discuss the relocation on an existing road. So Honorable Dycm has been very gracious to listen to the Darbar and us, and we are very grateful. Hopefully things should go as proposed.